Hi everyone, it's Victoria here from Under the Sun. I'm so excited to show you today how we create the shattered glass for you to create your shattered glass plates in your shattered glass parties, for ladies' nights, for glass passions, for private parties, and so forth. We're going to be showing all the steps from the intact, brand new door to the final product. So one of the most important things we have to do before we can smash any sheet of glass is do a very clean process of it through a full sterilization of each sheet to make sure that it is very clean. If the glass is not very clean, when we go to fuse it, you'll see particles and debris, and we want to make sure that gets off before we smash it. So one of the first things we do is, as I mentioned, do a deep clean. So here is Chandel. Here is Chandel here doing a deep clean of all the shower glass doors that we get in. These are brand new shower doors that we actually are in partnership with Top Shelf from Edmonton, Alberta, to save these from going into the landfill. So we love working with Top Shelf to be able to be eco-friendly and be able to repurpose these perfectly nice shower doors, brand new. However, they might have had just a minor default in them for the supplier to be unable to install them. So here at Under the Sun, we take pride in reviving them to be able to be wonderful creations for the future. And now comes our favorite part. We put on our safety glasses and all our safety gear, and we grab the sledgehammer, and well, let's get smashing. Woo! And well, after one single smash to the corner, look at all the shattered glass. Yeah, definitely should have spread the tarp out a little bit bigger. Yeah, lesson learned. All right, so here's kind of a close-up as to what happens when the glass actually gets shattered. Hit it, Chandel. There we go. And I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but the glass actually crackles, kind of like a fire.